As a realtor, I have an obligation to my client. And one of those obligations is that if a client sees a home and it's gone under contract, I want them to know, don't walk away just yet. I just got off the phone with a realtor, and I have a situation I want to share with you that happens all the time. As a realtor, I have an obligation to present every offer to my client up until the day of closing. Did you know that? There's a 5 business day attorney review for both the seller and the buyer. It's important that you take advantage of that if you love a home. Don't assume what the offer is. Make your offer and make it the best you can have. And maybe, just maybe, the seller might say, hey, I like your offer better. A better offer can absolutely change things. I'm Celeste Barr with eXp Realty. I have been doing this a long time, but more than anything, my wish is that you understand not all realtors are the same. And if you're looking for a realtor who's willing to fight for you, give me a call. That's what I'm here for, no matter whether you're a buyer or a seller. Thank you.